The ocean, a vast and enigmatic expanse, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its sheer size and depth have always been a source of wonder and mystery, drawing explorers, scientists, and dreamers alike to its shores. Its surface, a shimmering tapestry of blues and greens, belies the fiery secrets hidden within its depths. The gentle waves and tranquil waters mask a world of intense geological activity and raw, untamed power. For centuries, we have sailed upon its waves, fished in its bounty, and marveled at its creatures. The ocean has provided sustenance, adventure, and inspiration, becoming an integral part of human culture and survival. Yet beneath this serene facade, a realm of intense heat and power lies dormant, capable of unleashing unimaginable forces that defy our wildest imaginations. Underwater volcanoes and thermal vents are just a glimpse into this hidden world. This hidden fury, slumbering beneath the waves, has been a source of both wonder and terror throughout human history. The power of underwater eruptions can reshape the ocean floor and send shockwaves across the seas. We have long known the ocean to be a place of unpredictable storms and treacherous currents. Sailors and coastal dwellers have always respected the ocean's might, aware of its potential for sudden and devastating change. But the true extent of its power remained a mystery, its fiery heart concealed from view. Only with the advent of modern technology have we been able to explore these depths and uncover the secrets that lie beneath. Only recently have we begun to understand the forces that shape our planet from within, forces that echo the ancient words of the Qur'an, a text revealed over 1400 years ago. The Qur'an's descriptions of natural phenomena have intrigued scholars and scientists alike. These sacred verses speak of a time when the sea itself would be set ablaze, a prophecy that puzzled scholars for centuries. The imagery of a burning sea seemed fantastical, yet it hinted at a deeper truth. Could these words, shrouded in poetic language, truly foretell the scientific discoveries of our modern age? The idea that ancient texts could contain knowledge that aligns with contemporary science is both fascinating and humbling. Or were they simply allegorical tales meant to inspire awe and reverence? The interpretation of these verses has varied, with some seeing them as metaphorical, while others believe they hold literal truths. Join me as we delve into the depths of this intriguing mystery, exploring the intersection of faith and science where ancient wisdom meets modern understanding. Together, we will uncover how the ocean's hidden fury and the words of the Quran converge in a narrative that spans centuries and bridges the gap between the past and the present. Within the verses of the Quran, revealed in 7th century Arabia, we find intriguing references to a phenomenon that seemed to defy all logic and understanding, the sea being set on fire. Surat at-Tur, a chapter named for Mount Sinai where Moses received divine revelation, proclaims, "And the sea, when it is set ablaze." This single powerful line, devoid of elaborate metaphors or allegorical imagery, sparked centuries of debate and speculation. Equally compelling is the mention found in Surat at-Takwir, which describes a cosmic upheaval and when the seas are set afire. Here the imagery is apocalyptic, painting a vivid picture of a world transformed, where even the vastness of the ocean cannot escape the all-encompassing flames. These verses, concise yet impactful, presented a profound challenge to both believers and skeptics alike. How could the sea, a symbol of vastness and life-giving abundance, be consumed by fire? Water, the very antithesis of flame, seemed to mock the notion of such an event. It was a concept that defied the limits of human comprehension, leaving scholars to grapple with its meaning for generations. Faced with these seemingly inexplicable verses, early commentators on the Quran sought to reconcile them with their understanding of the world. They delved deep into the scriptures, pondering over the meanings and implications of these profound words. Many interpreted the verses metaphorically, associating the sea set ablaze with the day of judgment, a time of divine reckoning when the very fabric of the universe would be undone. This interpretation resonated with the apocalyptic imagery often found in religious texts, where natural elements are depicted as instruments of divine will. The raging fire in this context represented God's wrath or the purification of a sinful world. This fiery imagery was not uncommon in religious literature, symbolizing both destruction and renewal, a purging of the old to make way for the new. Others viewed these verses as symbolic warnings, emphasizing the ephemeral nature of worldly existence. They saw the burning sea as a reminder of life's fleeting nature, urging believers to focus on the eternal rather than the temporary. Just as fire consumes and transforms, so too would the world be subject to ultimate change and renewal. This cycle of destruction and rebirth was a common theme, reflecting the belief in a world constantly in flux, ever-changing and evolving. The vastness of the sea, often perceived as a symbol of permanence and stability, was juxtaposed against the destructive power of fire, highlighting the transient nature of all things. This contrast served to remind believers of the impermanence of the material world, encouraging a focus on spiritual and eternal truths. However, these interpretations, while offering spiritual insights, failed to address the literal sense of the verses. Scholars debated and discussed, yet the mystery remained unsolved, leaving room for further contemplation and study. The Quran, known for its clear and direct language, frequently employs natural phenomena as signs of divine power and wisdom. These signs were meant to inspire awe and reflection, guiding believers to a deeper understanding of the divine. The question remained, could there be a scientific basis for the seemingly impossible event of the sea being set ablaze? Modern science has revealed phenomena such as underwater volcanic activity, where magma meets the ocean, creating fiery displays beneath the waves. This discovery has led some to speculate that the verses might have a basis in natural events, bridging the gap between ancient scripture and contemporary understanding. As we continue to explore the natural world, we uncover more connections between ancient wisdom and modern science. These discoveries not only enhance our understanding of the physical world but also deepen our appreciation for the timeless messages contained within sacred texts. The interplay between faith and reason, tradition and innovation, continues to enrich our quest for knowledge and meaning. In the end, the verses of the Quran, like the vast ocean, hold depths of meaning waiting to be explored. Whether interpreted metaphorically, symbolically, or scientifically, they invite us to ponder the mysteries of existence and the divine, encouraging a journey of continuous discovery and reflection. Section 4. Unveiling the Deep, a Scientific Revolution. For centuries, the depths of the ocean remained largely unexplored, a hidden world shrouded in darkness and mystery. The vast expanse of the ocean, covering more than 70% of our planet's surface, held secrets that eluded even the most curious minds. The sheer pressure and inaccessibility of these depths made them seem almost otherworldly, a final frontier on our own planet. It was not until the mid-20th century, with the advent of advanced submersibles and sonar technology, that we began to truly unravel the secrets of the deep. These innovations marked a turning point in oceanography, allowing scientists to peer into the abyss with unprecedented clarity. Submersibles capable of withstanding the crushing pressures of the deep sea and sonar technology, which use sound waves to map the ocean floor, opened up a new era of exploration. These technological advancements allowed us to venture into the abyss, revealing a landscape far more complex and awe-inspiring than we had ever imagined. The ocean floor, once thought to be a flat, featureless expanse, was discovered to be a dynamic and varied terrain, teeming with geological wonders. From vast plains to towering underwater mountains, the seafloor was a revelation. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries was the existence of mid-ocean ridges, vast underwater mountain ranges that encircle the globe like seams on a baseball. These ridges, stretching for tens of thousands of kilometers, are the longest mountain ranges on Earth, hidden beneath the waves. They are a testament to the dynamic processes shaping our planet. These ridges, formed by the slow but relentless movement of tectonic plates, are sites of intense geological activity. The tectonic plates, massive slabs of Earth's crust, are in constant motion, driven by forces deep within the planet. Where these plates pull apart, molten rock from the mantle rises to fill the gap, creating new crust in a continuous cycle of destruction and renewal. Here, molten rock from the Earth's mantle rises to the surface, creating new crust and fueling a process known as seafloor spreading. This process, occurring at mid-ocean ridges, is a fundamental mechanism of plate tectonics, driving the movement of continents and shaping the Earth's surface over geological timescales. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of plate tectonics and the dynamic nature of our planet. It provided a unifying theory that explained the movement of continents, the formation of mountains, and the occurrence of earthquakes and volcanic activity. The realization that the Earth's surface is in constant motion, driven by forces deep within, was a paradigm shift in geology. But perhaps even more astounding was the realization that these underwater mountain ranges were home to a phenomenon previously unimaginable: volcanoes. not erupting into the air we breathe, but into the ocean itself. These underwater volcanoes, or hydrothermal vents, are sites of intense volcanic activity, where superheated water rich in minerals gushes from the seafloor, creating unique ecosystems teeming with life. The discovery of these vents challenged our understanding of life on Earth, revealing that life could thrive in the most extreme environments, independent of sunlight. Section 5. The Earth Aflame, Submerged Volcanoes and the Quran's Vision. The discovery of underwater volcanoes, spewing forth molten lava and superheated gases into the ocean depths, was a revelation of profound significance. Here in the crushing darkness of the abyss, fire and water, those seemingly irreconcilable elements coexisted in a breathtaking display of nature's power. These volcanoes, far from being rare occurrences, were found to be surprisingly common, dotting the ocean floor like fiery beacons. Hydrothermal vents, fissures in the Earth's crust where superheated water, laden with minerals, erupts into the frigid ocean, provided further evidence of the ocean's hidden fury. These vents, reaching temperatures of over 700 degrees Fahrenheit, create shimmering, otherworldly environments, teeming with life forms that thrive in conditions toxic to most other creatures. The discovery of these underwater firestorms, hidden from view for millennia, offered a stunning new perspective on the Quran's verses about the sea being set ablaze. Could it be that these ancient words, revealed in a time devoid of deep-sea exploration, were actually foretelling scientific discoveries that would only come to light centuries later?